How to turn off age restrictions on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can turn off your age restrictions on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To change your age restrictions on Twitter, it's very simple. The solution is to simply just change the date of birth, and as a result, it will change the age. And to do this, you can just go ahead and then open the X or the Twitter application here. As you do that, tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen and then just go to your profile page here. After you come to your profile page, tap the edit profile option, and here you can see your date of birth. So what you want to do is you actually want to change the birth year to something that would at least make you over 18 years of age. So for this, you want to calculate the current 80, and after that set it to at least over 18 years of age backwards, and as a result this will actually remove any sort of age restrictions that you have on a Twitter account. After you do this, if you're still not being able to see some type of sensitive content, in that case there is also some other setting that we need to change. For that, tap the profile icon from the top left and then just go to settings and support, go to settings and privacy, go to privacy and safety, and go to content you see, and here you can see display media that may contain sensitive content. You want to make sure to enable this. Even if you have turned and disabled age restriction, if you don't enable this, you might not be able to fully see all of the contents on Twitter, but now that we've enabled this, we should be able to see any sort of content. This way you can turn off age restriction on Twitter. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.